When we consider the groups, we always have the central element, as I said. And we have the following groups. We have a noun group, where the central element, of course, is a noun, or it could be a pronoun instead. We have an adjective group and an adverb group, which are pretty much almost the same, except up here you have the adjective as the central element, and you have the adverb as the central element. And then we also have a verb group, where the most important word would be the main verb, the one that shows action, and all the other verbs in front of it, the main verb, would be auxiliary verbs. So that's important to think of a main verb and auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs. And then we can also have a prepositional group, where you have a preposition, and what is after the preposition is called a prepositional complement. In front of the head, there can be pre-modifiers that describe the head, that help the head, just like the auxiliary verb does. Or after the head, we call them post-modifiers. So, pre-modifier is a possibility, and the head and the post-modifier. But these are optional. These are descriptive, you could say. So the head is the only important one. And the preposition group is special, that it doesn't have a head, it has a preposition instead. But let's look at these roles now to see what they consist of. So we have left is a verb group, because the most important word is the main verb, which is left. And there is no pre-modifier, but could have said John has left, for example, and then there would have been an auxiliary verb. John, that's a noun group, because the most important word is a noun. It's actually a proper noun. So we write that. And his stupid wife, the most important word in here is wife. It's what gives us the info. That's a noun, so that's why it's a noun group. And the word in front of that describes the wife. This is then the pre-modifier, which is typically in a noun group, it would typically be an adjective, or it could be a noun. And then we can have something special in the noun group that we call a determiner, that determines how specific, how definite, and something like that, how general the noun is. In this case, we say that it's his stupid wife. It could also be a stupid wife, or the stupid wife, or my stupid wife, or this stupid wife. So it could either be some kind of article or pronoun, or a number maybe. So in this case, it is a possessive pronoun. His. But this can only be found in a noun group, the determiner. Then we have the coordinating conjunction. The coordinated things of the same kind. Over here we have a verb group, because the most important element is the main verb found. And then we have a noun group, because this is only one word, and that is a personal pronoun. And the girlfriend, we have a noun group, because the most important word, that's the head, is girlfriend, which is a noun. And then there's no pre-modifier, but we could add many pre-modifiers. A pretty girlfriend, a girlfriend who is pretty would then be the post-modifier. So this is a determiner, and it's this time an indefinite article. And that's it.